What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got that Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, today we got something on deck from Moft. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll definitely put the link down in the description if you want to check it out. I've been seeing a lot of, a lot of times on Instagram, I'll see like different Apple aesthetics. So I watch a lot of iPhone content and I'll see Moft actually sponsoring videos for creators. And I really feel like they got a dope iPhone aesthetic. They got some really tasteful cases for the iPhone. So I wanted to check one out for myself. So what we got today is the Moft Snap Case Movet. Now I don't know if I'm butchering that pronunciation or whatever, but it is what it is. It's compatible with MagSafe, a pioneering vegan leather by Moft. So this case is vegan leather, so it might not have that like plush leather 1980 leather's jacket Avarex feel, but the leather that it is made out of, I noticed just kind of like velvet. It does last a little longer. It doesn't patina as hard. To me, I kind of like it because it seemed like it looked a little bit better a little longer. But as you can see, it's soft touch Movet material, timeless color palette. The color is taupe that we got going on. Minimalist look, minimalist look. That's all, that's all Apple aesthetic. Take a look at the back and you see we got the lifted camera ring, invisible magnetic ring, timeless color palette, and 3 feet of drop protection. Okay, to get it out, all we gotta do, guys, is slide down like so on this part. I'm guessing we just lift up on here and we greet it with the case. Now, like I said, it's not the most illustrious leather, honestly, and I knew that wasn't going to be, how it was going to go, because I guess the process for vegan leather is to kind of have it like a certain type of material that's just like all about longevity and not really about like the illustrious leather type feeling. But like I said, it lasts pretty long and it stays. If you want a case that looks pretty much the same and you can clean and scrub it down and stuff, I think vegan leather is pretty good for that. Now we got the case all the way out. It does have a nice soft texture to it. And we got like some Moft branding embossed in the back of the case. A nice big ring to protect your cameras. Nice big protruding ring going on here, guys. As you can see, like I said, it's nice soft touch though. Nice feeling in the hand. And it is like a hard case. So this vegan leather is over like a polycarbonate shell or something. Nice protruding button press. These aluminum buttons look really good, guys. Nice and protruding. Easy to find. Easy to differentiate between the action button and the volume rocker. They protrude really nice. I like that. Look on the inside and you've got the microfiber end of the protective device. Feels really good. Designed by Moft, and that's the MagSafe ring. On this side, nice protruding power button and a nice big cutout so you can interact with your camera control. Now I got the Moft because I knew it was going to probably look good with the aesthetic of the Desert Titanium, and I think I did a good job picking out the colors. As you can see, the cameras are nice and recessed. This ring is pretty much protecting them very well. Great tactile button press, guys. One of the best button presses I came across in a long time because the buttons are nice and protruding. And you got plenty of space to get to your camera control if you use this button. Now out front, this is a pretty minimal vegan leather case. It doesn't add too much bulk to the phone. It is a tad bit slippery, but you do have a raised lip that protrudes past the display. That's what you want. In case you drop this display on a flat surface, you want the case to take the impact and not the display, because if the display takes the impact, all the impact, you might have a crack or shattered display to deal with, and nobody wants that. And down bottom, you can see how that taupe mixes with the Desert Titanium, which is kind of like the gold look. Nice big cutout for your Type-C. Now we're just going to test the strength of the MagSafe magnet with a MagSafe accessory. You heard it snap right on, and it's nice and strong, not going anywhere. And I'm trying to like get this thing to fall off, it's not. MagSafe is definitely strong enough on this case. But yeah, this is the Moft snap case, Movez and the vegan leather by Moft. Definitely put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Like I said, it's different. Some people like the more traditional leather, but some people like the vegan leather because they feel like it lasts a little longer and it just looks a little better aesthetically. Some leather cases to me over patina. That's why I like to play in the vegan leather sometimes. But definitely a case you could pick up with a great Apple aesthetic. I'll put again link down in the description. This is your boy the BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.